Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to my Zellerfeld family for sending this really cool collaboration my way. This is a collab with Havaianas. If you don't remember the brand Havaiana, you probably have worn a pair of Havaiana flip-flops at some point in your life. Well, they have teamed up with the Zellerfeld team, this time on what they're calling the top toe 3D printed silhouette. Let's take a quick sneak peek of it in this black colorway. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling reviews. Today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with the Zellerfeld team with Havaianas on the new silhouette called the top toe. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool fashion forward looking flip-flop. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're going for on the retail market currently. Let's jump right into it. All right, so the Zellerfeld team gave me a cute little note that they left inside. So again, shout out to them for sending these my way. As far as Havaianas go, I have owned so many Havaiana flip-flops in my lifetime, and when I saw images of this pair, this was so insanely unique and different. I have not seen anything like this. Kind of reminds me a bit of a tabby toe silhouette, but again, it is a flip-flop. So Zellerfeld has done such a cool, incredible job with 3D printing the first pair of flip-flops. And one of the cool things, especially for the ladies out there, that I think you might enjoy with this silhouette or this variation of a flip-flop is that this portion actually covers your toes. So if you don't want to show your toes and you want to keep them covered, you don't have to paint your nails or worry about that, because this will fully cover them with still being able to wear a flip-flop version of this. As far as the rice grain texture, they've kept that on here. It feels really cool. And then we've got some subtle branding here which says Havaianas, and we've also got Havaianas on the inside portion as well. Let me flip that over so that you can see it. As far as the texture goes, I think that it's just so cushiony and soft when you put these on, but these really look modern and futuristic. I always love seeing new takes, new renditions on silhouettes that we've seen over time, and this is just like nothing we've ever seen before. So Zellerfeld and Havaiana really crushed it with this. It's all over in this black color scheme. It says honoring the legacy shaping in the future on the bottom here, and then we've got this really cool spiral shaping on the bottom of the outsole of these as well. These first released at Copenhagen Fashion Week, which I feel like Copenhagen has been kind of front and center for a lot of new designers and really fashion forward pieces. So really cool that they decided to kind of drop this there. But again, if you are looking to test something out that's new and different, but also just is easy to kind of style, this is a great color scheme option. These also dropped in 5 other colorways, so whether you're going for a cream tone or like a bright pop of orange, there are other colorway options that you can opt for. I decided to go with black though, just because black is easy to style.
I only work in black, and sometimes very dark gray.
They also gave me a pair of black socks, so these will match perfectly with this as well. Let's take a look at those details and we'll jump into size to fit on these. far as sizing goes, these will fit true to size. You are able to scan your foot to maximize the perfect fit, which is amazing that Zellerfeld gives you that option so that you don't end up with the wrong size. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled these. Again, I just think this is a really fashion forward looking footwear piece as far as a flip-flop goes. So for the first look, I just kept it pretty simple with a button-down white collared shirt that I tucked into some nice charcoal, dark black, straight-leg denim pants with a nice simple black belt. Then for the second look, I wore a black blazer kimono, which I styled with some cream corduroy pants. I definitely feel like all black or mixing black with cream and white is really trendy right now. So definitely feel like you can add some extra color. Don't feel like you have to stay in the all black zone. The last look I did go with all black with some nice just track pants and a nice simple cardigan in black. Retail goes, these retail for $89 and you can find these on the Zellerfeld website. All right, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you're not already subscribed. My name is Marissa Hill. Shout out to Zellerfeld again for sending these my way. Catch us on the next episode.
Yeah, just need 3 more Zellerfelds. Just different tones. You said Zellerfield earlier.
Zellerfeld.
WK.